Hi, Sarah Garland from Fine & Country. Today we're in Leamington Spa at 111 Radford Road. This is a charming end of terrace Victorian property that has been renovated recently by the current owners. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 reception rooms, bathroom and kitchen. It also has a garden to the front and an exceptionally long garden to the rear. The property is easy walking distance to Leamington train station and also to all the shops, spas, restaurants, pubs and parks in the town centre. So come with me, let's take a look inside. Thank you for watching a tour of this property. If you would like any further information or to book a viewing, please contact me on the details that follow.